Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe. So today's video is yet again a shopping video, which is a Big Bazaar shopping video. So Big Bazaar has great offers going on right now. So right now I'm on my way to Big Bazaar. So it just takes 15 to 20 minutes to reach there. So it is a 6-day sale going on in Big Bazaar and it is all over India. So all the Big Bazaars have the same offers going on. You can visit any nearby store. So I've just reached the location. So this is the Kundanalli branch. So we just reached the location. So right now we are in the basement. We just parked our car. So let's go upstairs and then check out what all they have. So this sale is amazing. They have lot of offers going on. Starting from groceries to clothes, footwear. They have lot of sale going on. So they have great offers going on right now. So this is just a 6-day sale and this is a Republic Day sale going on. They have lot of collections in handbags, wallets. So starting from the women's wear, they have western wear, ethnic wear, kids wear. So I'm going to make 2 videos of it because this video is going to be very long because we have men's wear, kids wear and home items. So this is the part 1, which is the women's wear. Just look at this beautiful collections over here and the prices are very affordable. They have lot of collections in palazzo pants. So all these are the dupattas. These are the Banarasi dupattas and some net dupattas. These are very beautiful. They have sale on this going on, which is 50% off. So these are called as the straight pants, which is also known as the cigarette pants, and these has some beautiful designs on it which are very beautiful, and they have lot of collections in skirts. These are also called as the lehengas. They have a set of this which is very affordable. So coming to the kurtas, they have a sale going on which is buy one get one free. So all these are the daily wear and the night wear clothes and it starts at rupees 109. And they have lot of size over here. Don't worry about the size. So these are the daily wear shorts and this is for rupees 200. So these are the nighties and these are very beautiful and comfortable. So this is for rupees 599. So the sale starts from 50% to 30, 20 and buy one get one free. So on denims they have a great sale which is 50% off. And all of these are the branded clothes and this is a great sale going on. So over here they have this beautiful tiny wallets at a very reasonable price. So all these are the western wear and they have offers on western wear which is 52 buy one get one free. So just look at this beautiful denim skirt. This is for rupees 799 and it has a 50% off. And I think that this is the great deal and I'm gonna definitely take it. So the palazzo pant starts at rupees 599 and they have different designs. So over here the denim starts at rupees 699 and I feel that jeans for 699 is a great deal. They have a lot of collections in top. I suggest you all to check out the tops. So here ends the women's wear. So now let's go to the next counter and check out what all they have. So these are the makeup organizers. Many people were asking me about the makeup organizers. So these are of a great deal. So this is the soap dish holder and it is for rupees 99. Some jugs and buckets starting at rupees 29 to 43.99. So here ends this video. It's been a quite long day because we left home at 5:30 in the evening. So now the time is 8:30 and I suggest you all to visit Big Bazaar because they have great deals going on right now. And if you love such videos, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you have any queries regarding the location, you can ping me on Instagram or else you can drop down a message in the comment section below. So thank you for watching the video. We'll meet you soon on the next vlog. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.